Hello, welcome back. In this video, I'll be demonstrating how to set up various subjects for your classes. So I'll click on the subjects menu here. To add a subject, you click on the add subject icon here. You select the school stage. Let's say for instance JSS or SS. So in this instance, I'll be choosing JSS, and you select the number of subjects you like to add. Let's say 3. So now you have the subject's name. So you put the subject's name you like to add. Let's say for instance physics. Then for the next one, you put the subject's name you like to add. Let's say for instance language. Now let's say in your school you have language but you call it some other name. Let's say for instance Yoruba. So you add Yoruba here as the sub theme. So it's not compulsory. If language is language in your school, it's not compulsory you use this sub theme part. But if it's not that way, you add the other name you call the particular subject. Then I'll add the last one. Let's say STEM: science, technology, engineering, and mathematics. So now this term, let's say it's a parent name for different subjects. So it means it has different sub subjects under it. So because it has different sub subjects, I'll click on this. I'll mark this sub subject icon here. Then we click on submit to add the subject. So on clicking on submit to add it, you see the subject here. You see the subject here. So this is language, and as you can see, it has Yoruba here, which is the sub theme. Then for the other one, which is STEM: science, technology, engineering, and mathematics, you see it has this red folder like icon here. So this is where you click to add various sub subjects. So I'll click this. So now to add a sub-subject, he already has one sub-subject already, Introtech, and which has a percent of 40 overall. So to add a sub-subject, you click add sub-subject here. Then STEM is the parent name, yes. Then this you put the sub-subject name. Let's say for instance integrated science. Then you put the percent you want to attribute to it. So Introtech has 40% already. So let's say integrated science has 30%, and uh, let's say mathematics under it also, or further mathematics under it also has 30%. So you click on submit here. You click on submit here to add the percentage to it. Now let's say for instance you want everything to be to still be 100%. So you put 0 here. The system automatically identifies it as being 100% still, and then you click on submit to submit. So this is how you add various subjects and sub subjects to various classes in your school. Thanks for watching.